Great, welcome back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the area franchise agreement. Okay? So let's look back at our individual franchise agreement here. Okay? You've got a franchisor making an arrangement with a franchisee. Okay? Now let's use our friend with the Italian Ice example. Let's say that the guy who owns the Italian Ice franchise, i.e. the franchisor, says, you know what, I see potential in you, my friend, my franchisee, and I'm going to tell you, you know what, you don't have to just do one location to sell my products. In fact, I'm going to let you open as many franchise locations within a specific county, like Los Angeles County, that you wish. So the franchisee has an agreement for all of LA County. And so my friend, the Italian Ice seller, can open as many locations within LA County as he wishes. Okay? So he can have location 1, location 2, location 3. Who cares? He can open as many as long as they stay in LA County. Now, if he wants to go to San Diego County, which is the next county south of LA County, he needs to negotiate a new contract. Okay, he needs a new contract. But this agreement right here is the area franchise agreement. He can open as many locations within, it's normally within a specific geographic location. Now, I gave LA County as an example. Okay. However, I know of one gym chain that their area franchise agreement included 3 states. And that kind of makes sense because, you know, usually for each kind of a gym type, there might be like one Gold's Gym, one Crunch Fitness, one of whatever your favorite gym is within a specific geographic region. So that does kind of make sense, right? You know, that there'd be just one in the county because, again, having too many in a location wouldn't make a lot of sense. So it makes sense to be able to spread it out across multiple states. But that's the way that particular contract was negotiated. So again, the right to open as many locations in a given county as you wish. Well, great. I hope this makes sense. Hope you understand it. If you like, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Please subscribe, actually. Make some comments, questions down below if you have any. In our next video, we're going to talk about the master franchise agreement, the most comprehensive of the franchise agreements. Great. I'll see you in the next video.